Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Namaskaram and good evening to one and all present. I am Shantini, the stage manager of the first ever annual showcase of Natya Lahari, Vedya. It's an honor to be here with all of you and welcoming you all. This momentous occasion marks a significant milestone in Natya Lahari's journey to celebrate and promote the vibrant, diverse world of Indian classical dance and music. The institution is proud to have always been at the front of nurturing talent and inspiring a deep love for the arts. As we gather here this evening, our hearts will swell with joy and excitement. This event is not just a showcase of talent, but a tribute to dedication, passion, and hard work of our students, teachers, and entire Natya Lahari family. It's an opportunity to immerse ourselves in the divine world of classical dance and music, to witness the magic that unfolds when tradition meets creativity. Tonight, we have a lineup of amazing performances. The program definitely will run for 75 minutes, so please stay, don't move. And followed by a prize distribution for all the performers. But first, let me introduce our Mistress of Ceremonies for the evening, Srimati Hasti Annapurna.
Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Namaskaram to one and all present here. Welcome to Natya Lahari's Nivedya, our inaugural annual showcase. Established in Chicago in 2014, Natya Lahari relocated to Washington in 2017. The school has been committed to teaching Bharatanatyam in its most complete form, presenting this traditional art form in an innovative and accessible manner. Natya Lahari has nurtured talent and provided performance opportunities for all its students in various occasions. The school's affiliation with Silicon Andhra and Vedic Wellness University, Florida, allows students to earn academic credits for their Bharatanatyam studies. It's an honor and joy to welcome each and one of you to tonight's celebration of Bharatanatyam, one of India's most ancient and revered dance forms. Tonight, our gifted dancers will use their movements to tell stories and express emotions, showcasing the grace and rhythm of this timeless art form. Our dancers have worked tirelessly to bring this art form to life, and each performance will be a unique blend of rhythm, expression, and devotion. This amazing performance would not have been possible without the dedication and expertise of Nattuvanga Kalaimani, Srimati R. Santana Lakshmi Sriram, the cornerstone of Natya Lahari. She is a seasoned Bharatanatyam dancer with over 19 years of experience, trained by renowned gurus like Tanjavur, Nattuva Asan Kalaimamani Sri B. Herambanathan, Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam, Chinnamanur Dr. A. Chitra, and Srimati Priya Murali. She has a strong foundation in both performance and choreography. Her educational background includes a degree in biotechnology, a bachelor's in performing arts, and master's in Bharatanatyam, and diploma in Nattuvanga. She has performed extensively in India and USA and has been teaching Bharatanatyam in India and US for over 15 years. Her holistic approach to teaching includes traditional aspects like slokas and musics, ensuring the preservation of authentic form of the art. She is currently pursuing her PhD in Bharatanatyam from Vedic Wellness University, Florida. On behalf of everyone here, we extend our grateful gratitude to our Guru for her invaluable guidance and sharing the gift of Bharatanatyam with all of us. And today's ensemble features a captivating performance with Guru Srimati R. Santana Lakshmi Srirams providing the rhythmic Nattuvangam. The melodious vocals of Srimati Harita Balaji will be accompanied by the rhythmic beats of Mridangam by Sri Ashwin Satya Raghunathan, and violin will be expertly played by Kumari Aditya Datta. We hope you enjoy tonight's performance. Without further ado, let's begin with a prayer.
says working, but it's coming sideways this time.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी नाट्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा प्रणम्य शिरसा देवौ पितामहमहेश्वरौ नाट्यशास्त्रं प्रवक्ष्यामि ब्राह्मणाय दुधाहृतं समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले नाट्यं करिष्ये देवी पादघातं क्षमस्व मे.
Tonight's first performance will be Ganesha Vandanam, which will be followed by a Mallari. A Mallari is a traditional performance, an invocatory item, historically performed at the procession ceremonies of temples as dancers honor the deity. In line with the showcase named Nivedya, a Mallari can be seen as an offering to the Almighty, akin to using flowers, camphors, and other offerings in traditional worship or ritual. Mallari, in Ragam Gambira Natai, Talam Adi is a traditional piece. This will be performed by Sirisha Cherala and Ritika Vaishali Venkatraman.
Thank you.
That was a grateful and a brilliant performance, girls. Thank you. The next performance on our program is Pushpanjali, which means a beautiful offering of flowers in worship. Here it means the dancers will begin their performance with a graceful offering of flowers on stage. A Pushpanjali is a common invocatory item in many dance performances. Pushpanjali in Ragam Gambhira Natai, Talam Adi is a composition of Madurai, Sri N. Muralidharan. This piece will be performed by Atiksha Aravind, Divya Devaraj, Banu Sai Sahasra Dakarapu, Kavya Patel, Manvi Krishna Manoj, Payal Patel, Pragya Yagati, Rachana Reddy, Ritanya Sai Kamara, Rutvika Mandula, Twisha Gomma, Yukta Panakanti. Thank you.
Jan
That was awesome, girls. Thank you. Up next, we have a captivating Kavuthuvam performance. This dynamic art form seamlessly blends music and spoken word into a single, harmonious expression. A Kavuthuvam, meaning poetic words, is a performance dedicated to praising a specific deity. Synchronized singing and speaking of the same lyrics by both the musician and the Natwanar showcases the interdependence between the dancer and the musician. Today's Kavuthuvam will be in praise of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. Ganesha Kavuthuvam in Ragam Natai, Talam Adi, composed by Gangai Muthu Natwanar. This piece will be performed by Alekya Namdi, Atiksha Aravind, Divya Devraj, Manvi Krishna Manoj, Payal Patel, Pragya Yagati, Ritanya Sai Kamara, Riya Tushar, Rutvika Mandula, Samanvi Narsipuram, Shilpa Sharma, Srinidhi Mandu, Suvarna Srilalam, Twisha Gumma, Yukta Panakanti.
Bit, tai, tam, bit, tai. Bit, tai, tam, bit, tai.
That was amazing to watch. Thank you, girls. While the girls are getting ready, I'll take my time to introduce a talented vocalist. It's my great pleasure to introduce to you a talented vocalist for tonight's Bharatanatyam performance, Srimati N. Haritha Balaji, a dedicated Carnatic vocalist. She began her musical journey at the age of 5. Trained by renowned gurus, she dwells deep into the meaning of each composition, striving for emotional depth. She has recorded an album of Saint Annamacharya's Kritis and is exploring diverse genre under the guidance of Srimati Anantalakshmi Karthik. Her pursuit of knowledge extends to the historical and cultural aspects of music, evident in her Isai Kalaimani title course. With passion, talent, and dedication, Haritha enriches the world of music, transfers her knowledge to young kids, captivates audiences, and inspires young talents. Thank you, Srimati Haritha, for joining us today. The Alaripu, a technical piece emphasizing foundational body movements in Bharatanatyam, is next. The dance focuses on eyes, neck, head, shoulders, and arms, and serves as a bridge for dancers, transitioning them from basic adavus to their first complete performance item. Through the Alaripu, dancers showcase Angika Shuddham, or precision and clarity of the foundational movements. Let's now enjoy a Trisra Alaripu performance. This will be performed by Alekya Nandi, Aparna Kadambi, Banu Shri Sahasra Dakarapu, Divya Devraj, Kavya Patel, Payal Patel, Rachana Reddy, Ritanya Sai Kammara, Riya Tushar, Samanvi Narsipuram, Shilpa Sharma, and Suvarna Srilalam.
Ta, tai, taiyum, ta, ta, kita taka ta, tai, taiyum, talangu to, kadakadariga to, ta, re, ta, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka ta, re, ta, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka ta, re, ta, tai, ta, tai, ta. Dit tam tai tat tai tam 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 dit tam kita taka tai, tat tai, kita taka tam, dit tam, kita taka tai, tat tai, kita taka tam, dit tam tai, tat tai 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 tam, dit tam tai. Tất tình tam, tí tam tay, 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 tất tình tam. Dit tam, kita taka tai, tat tai, kita taka tam, dit tam, kita taka tai, tat tai, kita taka tam, dit tam tai, tat tai 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 tam, tí 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 tam tai, tat தாம் தி தாம் தை தத்தை தாம் தி தாம் தை தத்தை தாம் 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 சரி தா ஜம் சரி 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 கிட்ட தோம் சரி கிட்ட தோம் சரி சரி கிட்ட தோம் தாம் Tiki taka, 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 talanku to, kadakada do, kat, tai, tai yum, kat, tam, kita taka, tam, bit, tam.
Let's give dancers a couple minutes while I introduce our talented mridangist for the evening. Originally from Chennai, India, Sri Ashwin Satya Raghunathan is a talented mridangist now residing in Bothell, Washington. His percussion journey began at the age of 10, training under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Saraswati and Sri T.V. Gopalakrishnan for a decade. Following a break, Ashwin is now actively returning to the percussion scene, offering his skills as an accompanist for vocal and Bharatanatyam performances. Alongside his passion for music, Ashwin is an engineering manager in Microsoft, Redmond. We are grateful to Sri Ashwin for sharing his gift with us today. Thank you, Ashwin. We hope you're all having a wonderful time at today's event. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the heart and soul of dance, music. And in Carnatic music, we are deeply grateful to the three signs of Sangeetam, Sri Tyagaraja, Sri Shyama Shastri, and Sri Muthuswami Dikshite. Their extraordinary compositions have resonated through the ages, captivating audiences for centuries. Today, we are delighted to present a beloved Dikshita Kriti, especially popular with our younger audiences. Up next, we have Notuswaram Shyamale Meenakshi. This beautiful piece, set in Ragam Shankarabharanam and Talam Adi, is a testament to Dikshita's enduring legacy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this timeless classic. May I also please request the audience to be silent and enjoy the music. Thank you.
Pa 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 ma
That was a beautiful performance, and this was performed by Adya Kovalam, Anita Chandran, Diya Ranjit, Ganavi Sri Subramanya Reddy, Iniya Krishna, Isha Sharma, Kuvira Kandimalla, Maitreyi Sriram, Ovi Yamkan Mardi, Preeti Chandran, Sachi Tushar, Shruti Bhaskaran, Suhana Tetarwal, and Yashika Sharma. Thank you. Up next is the Jatiswaram. This item showcases the dancer's mastery of technique as they execute intricate step sequences known as jatis in harmony with the melodic patterns or swarams of specific ragam. Essentially, a Jatiswaram is a pure display of technical skill, pushing the dancer's physical limits with its complex movements. Let's now enjoy a Jatiswaram performed in Ragam Bilahari set to rhythm of Talam Adi. This will be performed by Banu Sai Sahasra Dakarapu, Kavya Patel, Kavya Rangan, Payal Patel, Pragya Yagati, Srinidhi Mandu, and Yukta Panakanti. Thank you, girls. It was amazing to watch. I would like to introduce you all to a talented violinist, Aditya Datta, a senior at Newport High School. She has been immersed in the world of music for many, many years. She has received Hindustani classical vocal training for 11 years and has been studying violin under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Vidya Seshagopal for the past 6 years. Aditya's musical talents extend to performances as well. She frequently accompanies vocal concerts in Seattle area with her violin. Thank you so much for joining us today, Aditya. As we conclude today's showcase, we present a final celebratory piece, the Tillana, which will be followed by Mangalam. The Tillana, a blend of rhythmic syllables and poetic verses, often praising a deity or a king, is a traditional, joyous conclusion to any Bharatanatyam performance. Before we begin this final piece, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you for attending and supporting our inaugural showcase. Your presence has truly graced this event. Now please enjoy the Tillana, composed in Ragam Kapi, Talam Adi by the Tanjore Quartet or Tanjai Nalvar. Mangalam is composed by Bhadrachala Ramadasa in Ragam Kurunji in Tisra Jati. This piece will be performed by Ritika Vaishali Venkatraman. Thank you.
Nana